This video demonstrates how to use Ampere variables as parameter values. This ability eliminates the need for a schedule to be updated before it runs. In this example, we are using a report procedure that contains date values. These values can then be used as parameters. Right-click the report procedure, point to Schedule, and then click Repository. When you save this schedule, a report will distribute back to your folder. On the ribbon, in the Options group, click the Parameters tab to display the Task Parameters dialog box. Select the Sale Date parameter. In the Parameter Properties section, type $YYMD in the Value field. Select the value contains a system variable checkbox. Selecting this checkbox means that when the schedule executes, the Ampere variable $YYMD will be used as a parameter value. This Ampere variable will make the distributed report display information related to today's date. Select the Company parameter. In the Parameter Properties section, type Widgets and More in the Value field. Make sure the value contains a system variable checkbox is cleared for this parameter. For this value, we do not select the checkbox because the Widgets and More value will be used in the report as a literal value. The $more portion of the value will not be recognized as a parameter value in the distributed report. Click OK to close the Task Parameters dialog box. On the ribbon, in the Actions group, click Save and Close to save this schedule to your repository folder. As you can see, the IBI company report distributed today shows the number of items sold on the same day in 2018, 2017, and 2016. Since the value Widgets and More was not used as a system variable, it is instead presented as a literal value, the title of the report. To learn more, visit the WebFocus knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.